Hello, welcome to the How Do I series for Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015. My name is Vjekoslav Babic, and today I'll show how to update a parent page from a subpage in Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015. I've created this video for you in collaboration with Microsoft and Platan. At the end of this video, we will have a document page where a modification on a subpage propagates to the parent page, and the parent page updates accordingly. The objective of this video is to explain the update propagation property, why it is necessary and how it works, and also to demo the update propagation property in a real-life scenario example on a service contract document page. I will show this in 4 steps. In the first step, I will customize the service contract header table and the service contract page. In the second step, I will verify that the parent page does not automatically update. In the third step, I will define the update propagation from a subpage to a parent page. And in the last step, I will verify that the parent page automatically updates as required. Good. Let's move to the first step. So in this step, I will add a field to the table and then I will add the same field to the page. My customer, who is using service management functionality, wants to have a small change on the service contract page. So I will open Service Contracts and I will open the service contract page. What my customer wants to see is the total contract amount in the header of the page, and this amount should also update whenever I change the value in the lines. So to achieve that functionality, what I need to do is do a small customization. So I will start with Service Contract Header Table, where I will add a new field, contract amount, which will be of decimal type. Then I will set a caption property and I will set the field class to flow field, and the calculation formula will total the service contract line table field line amount, and the table filter will be on contract type, which I will link to the contract type of the parent table, and then contract number, which I will link to the contract number field from the parent table. So I have my flow field almost configured. I need to set editable to no. Now I will save the table and I will modify the page accordingly. So service contract page, where I will add a new field, contract amount, to the general fast tab, and then I will save the page. Okay, let's now verify that the parent page does not automatically update. Let's verify how it looks in the contract page. So I'm starting the service contract page, and here I have the contract amount, which specifies 39.10. I will now open the contract and then I will modify the value. So here I will set 39 and I can verify that the amount has not changed. For example, I can specify that the line value is 45 and the amount still does not change. It only changes when I move to the next line. However, my customer wants to see the contract amount updated as soon as I change the line amount field. So as long as I do any kind of change in the field, it should automatically propagate to the parent page. Now that we have seen that the page does not really update after I modify the data, let's define the update propagation and make sure that the modification in a subpage updates the parent page. So let's go back to the service contract page. I will select the subpage, and on this subpage control I have the update propagation property. The default value of subpart specifies that when data is modified or updated in the part, it only updates the part. However, if I set this update propagation property to both, then any kind of modification in the subpage will also update to the parent page, and the parent page will update automatically. That's the first part. So I'm now saving the service contract page and I'm going to service contract subform page, where I need to take some more steps. The update propagation property indicates that the update will happen when on the parent page when update is actually happening in the subpage. So the update is not happening when any kind of data modification happens in a subpage. It actually happens when the update function is called on the core page object. So to make sure that the parent page updates, I have to call the update function on the subpage. So let's take a look at which fields should update the parent page. Any modification of the line cost field, line value field, line discount field, line discount amount field, line amount or profit fields should trigger the update of the parent page. So let's go to the line cost field and let's write core page update. And then let's copy this code to onValidate trigger of each of those fields. Now, when a user changes the value of any of those fields, the update function will execute, which will update the subpage, and then the update propagation property of the parent page will make sure that the parent page updates accordingly. Okay, and finally, let's verify that the parent page automatically updates as required. I'm opening the service contract, and for example, I'm changing the line value field to 60, and the parent page updates accordingly. Or I can set line discount to 10, and the parent page updates accordingly. So here I will change profits to 20, and the parent page updates accordingly. That's all for this time. You have seen how to use the update propagation property in Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015 to notify a parent page of an update happening in Subpage. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out other videos in the How Do I series for NAV 2015 as well. Goodbye.